Let me ask you something. When you picture your future, do you see yourself stuck at the same desk for another decade? Or do you see something more? Something that excites you? Too many of us are waiting too long to start truly living, caught up in the grind and saving for a someday that keeps moving further away. We put our dreams on hold, hoping we'll have the time and energy to chase them later. But life doesn't always wait. Today, I'm sharing 7 signs it might be time to retire sooner than you think. These aren't just about your bank account, they're about the fire in your soul. So lean in, open your mind, and let's see if it's time for your next chapter. Let's start with sign number 1. It's something almost everyone has felt at some point, but few talk about openly. You know that Sunday night dread? That sinking feeling in your stomach as the weekend slips away, and the thought of Monday starts to creep in. But what if it's not just Sunday anymore, but every night? What if that heaviness follows you through the week, making it hard to enjoy even your free time? When work feels like punishment, not purpose, and you're dragging yourself out of bed, that's a warning sign. It's more than just being tired. It's a deep, persistent fatigue that weighs on your mind and body. If you're living for 5 p.m., for Friday, for your next vacation, anything but the present, your spirit is telling you something. You're not just waiting for the weekend, you're wishing your days away. That exhaustion leaks into your home life, your relationships, your happiness. It's like a shadow that follows you, even when you're supposed to be relaxing. You lose your spark, hobbies feel like chores, and you're just trying to recharge enough to do it all again. That's not living, it's surviving. The things that once brought you joy now feel like just another task on your list. Ask yourself, are you just going through the motions, dreading your alarm clock, counting the hours until you can escape? If yes, your soul is tired and it's time for a change. You deserve to feel excited about your days, not just relieved when they're over. Imagine what would happen if you didn't have to go back there on Monday. Imagine waking up with a sense of purpose, not dread. The emotional toll of a job you hate isn't just in your head, it's in your life. It shapes your mood, your energy, and even your health. When misery at work becomes your new normal, it's time to listen. Don't let it become the background noise of your life. You deserve more than just surviving the work week. You deserve to thrive, to feel alive, to look forward to each day. If you're counting down the days, maybe it's time to start counting up the possibilities. Don't ignore the signs. Your happiness matters. Your next chapter could start now. All it takes is the courage to listen to what your heart is telling you. Sign number 2, your body is keeping score. Every day your body is quietly tracking the toll that stress, overwork, and neglect take on your well-being, even when you try to ignore it. We can lie to ourselves, but our bodies don't. They send us signals, sometimes subtle, sometimes loud, reminding us that something isn't right. Sleepless nights, constant headaches, stomach issues, these are warning shots. They're your body's way of waving a red flag, asking you to pay attention before things get worse. Chronic stress from work floods your system with hormones that break you down over time. It's not just in your head. Your body feels every bit of it, and the effects can be long-lasting. Your immune system weakens, blood pressure rises, and unhealthy habits creep in. You might find yourself reaching for junk food, skipping exercise, or feeling too tired to enjoy life. Too many people wait until retirement to focus on their health, only to find the damage is done. Years of ignoring the signs can add up to a heavy price. Don't trade your health for wealth, then spend your wealth trying to get your health back. The cycle is all too common, but it doesn't have to be your story. Retirement should be about freedom and enjoying life, not doctor's visits. Imagine waking up each day with energy, purpose, and the ability to do what you love. If you're seeing these signs, don't ignore them. They're not just inconveniences, they're messages from your body, asking for care and attention. Your health is your most valuable asset. Without it, everything else loses its shine. If your job is costing you your well-being, the price is too high. No paycheck is worth sacrificing your peace of mind and your future. Listen to your body before it's too late. Small changes now can make a world of difference down the road. Don't just pop another pill and hope for the best. True healing starts with awareness and action, not just quick fixes. Retirement isn't just an escape, it's an investment in your future well-being. The choices you make today shape the quality of your tomorrows. Choose more healthy, happy years ahead. Prioritize your health now so you can truly savor the freedom you've worked so hard for. Your body is telling you it's time for a change. Are you listening? Sign number 3. Maybe you've already won the game. It's a realization that can sneak up on you, quietly, after years of striving and saving. Sometimes we're so focused on the next milestone that we don't notice we've already crossed the finish line. You've worked hard, saved diligently, and hit your magic number. The one you always thought would mean freedom. You've checked every box, paid every bill, and built a solid foundation for your future. But fear keeps moving the goalposts. What if it's not enough? What if something unexpected happens? The uncertainty can be paralyzing, making you question if you're truly ready. Working and saving become habits, and the idea of spending what you've saved feels terrifying. It's easy to get stuck in the cycle of just a little more, even when you already have enough. So you keep working just one more year, piling up money you don't need. Each year, the safety net grows, but so does the fear of letting go. You're sacrificing your most precious resource, time, for more of what you already have. Time that could be spent with loved ones, exploring passions, or simply enjoying the world you worked so hard to create. Money is a tool, not the goal. It's meant to serve you, not the other way around. If your finances are solid, your mortgage is paid, and your kids are independent, ask yourself, what are you still working for? Is it for security, or just out of habit? Is it for a bigger number you'll never spend, or out of fear? Are you chasing a sense of safety that's already yours? It's time to shift from accumulating to living. The real reward isn't in the numbers, it's in the life you can now enjoy. You did the hard part, you won. You crossed the finish line, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. Don't let fear or habit keep you chained to your desk. Life is waiting for you outside those routines. If the numbers say you're ready, believe them. Claim your prize, freedom. You've earned it. Don't let your best years slip away. The world is full of beauty and possibility, waiting for you to step into it. You've earned the right to live, not just work. Trust your plan, trust yourself. It's time to start using what you've built. The next chapter is yours to write. Make it count. Sign number 4. Your real life is on standby. You have dreams and passions you've put on hold for years. Maybe it's writing a novel, painting, traveling, or giving back to your community. These aren't just hobbies, they're callings. For decades, responsibilities came first, but now the excuses are running out. The only thing standing between you and your dream is your job. What would you do if your calendar was blank and your time was your own? If your heart leaps at the thought, that's a sign you can't ignore. Life isn't a dress rehearsal. There are no do-overs. Your passions aren't meant to wait until you're 67. If you have a burning desire to do more, maybe it's time to give yourself permission. Don't let someday become never. Your dreams deserve your best years, not your leftovers. The future you want is waiting. Will you answer the call? It's time to live the life you've imagined. Sign number 5. Your job is becoming obsolete or unfulfilling. The world is changing fast, and sometimes your role just doesn't fit anymore. Maybe your industry is shrinking, your skills are outdated, or your work feels meaningless. You're no longer challenged or excited, just going through the motions. New hires talk about trends you don't care about, and you're tired of pretending. You've climbed the ladder, but the view isn't what you hoped. Feeling out of sync with your work drains your confidence and self-worth. You deserve to end your career on your own terms, not fade into irrelevance. If your satisfaction is low, how long will you keep settling? It's okay to admit you've outgrown your job. Retiring isn't quitting. It's a promotion to CEO of your own life. You get to decide what's fulfilling now. Don't let your best years be spent on work that no longer serves you. The next chapter is yours to write. Sign number 6. Your loved ones are getting your leftovers. At the end of your life, you'll remember moments with family and friends, not work achievements. Are you giving your best energy to your job, and only what's left to those who matter most? Time is precious. Your parents are aging, your grandkids are growing, and these moments won't wait. You can't get them back. Being present isn't just physical, it's mental and emotional. If you feel regret for missed moments, that's your heart telling you to reprioritize. Work is temporary, but family is forever. Relationships need time and attention to flourish. Don't wait until it's too late. Give the most important people in your life the most important thing you have, your time. The memories you make now will last a lifetime. Choose them. Sign number 7. You're already half retired in your head. Retirement isn't just a passing thought, it's become your main focus. You spend more time planning your future than living your present. At work, your mind drifts to dreams of freedom. You're counting down the days, doing the math, and obsessing over the when. You're physically present but mentally checked out. This isn't just daydreaming, it's your subconscious telling you you're ready. You've made the decision in your heart. Now it's time for your actions to catch up. If you spend more time planning your escape than engaging with your work, that's a sign. Your focus has shifted for a reason. The planning and dreaming are done. Maybe it's time to stop thinking about retirement and start living it. Don't let the future rob you of your present. If your mind is already retired, maybe the rest of you should follow. The next step is yours. There you have it. 7 signs it might be time to start your next chapter sooner than you planned. Which signs hit home for you? The daily dread, the toll on your health, or the dreams you've put on hold? Be honest with yourself. This is your life. The goal isn't just to retire with money, but with enough time and health to enjoy it. Don't wait until regret is all you have left. Planning for retirement is about planning your happiness. You've earned the right to be happy and fulfilled. Let me know in the comments which signs resonated with you. It's never too soon to put your joy and well-being first. Go out there and start living it.